How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. So I want to give you a quick tip that I have adopted over the last several years, and it really helps my weapon mounted lights from their batteries dying over time or randomly. And it's fairly simple. All you need is a paint pen or a Sharpie or some kind of way to mark. But the issue primarily is with me is that my lights tend to discharge, I guess, when I don't want them to, at least turn on, especially while transporting. So when I'm transporting my weapon system, like in a case and I'm flying, or I am, driving to the range and it's locked up in a case, or even for myself in a patrol car, it tends to get bumped and then turned on, and then my batteries die. Especially so with tape switches like this. These are very easy to get bumped. And once they do, if it's somewhere that you don't see that your light is on, then your batteries are absolutely toast and they're gone. So I've found a way, I'm not saying that I found it, I haven't saw anybody else do this, but I guarantee you there's tons of other people that have done this, just haven't saw it, so I'm not claiming it. It is what it is. But what I do is I put witness marks on the bezel, because it's kind of cool, because Surefire does allow that if you twist it, right, hey, it's on, but if you do a quarter turn, it turns off, which is really nice for transport. But the issue that I have found is when this is mounted, there's no easy way to really see in the moment, is my weapon light ready to go, right? Maybe I forgot to twist it. And this is just something simple and easy that, hey, if the lines aren't lined up as you're looking down your rifle, right, you can immediately see them right there and go, hey, they're not lined up, cool, I need to twist this, right? Oh, hey, it was on. That kind of aspect, or just mindset. Yes, is this minor and trivial? Maybe for some, but for some other people that are professionals in, using a weapon system, they want to know the configuration. And this is an easy way to figure that out. Hey, the lights are lined up. Hey, it works. Twist it, right? Twist it away, and now it doesn't. Now, I haven't had too many issues with the Surefire because this is very, encapsulated, I guess, and very protected. But what I am pretty much referencing is the pressure pads. These things always get bumped. And it's nice when you go put your in storage mode or your weapon in storage mode, you can just twist the bezel here real quick, right? And cool, now you're out of alignment. But it's an easy way to see if you are ready to go or you're not during your PCCs, PCIs, that kind of stuff. Now I'll show you, here's my kind of jack of all trades night vision rifle. And right there they are set up, especially the pressure pad, as you can see over here, it's already ready to go, and this thing gets bumped up against quite a bit. Even my duty rifle, when it's in a patrol car and has the clasp around it so no one can steal my rifle if they would break into my patrol car, right, this tends to get bumped up against stuff because my patrol rifle has or my duty rifle has the same exact configuration, and white light just spills into the ceiling, and if I'm not around to catch it, it is what it is. But it's nice because right now, hey, cool, it doesn't work. But I can look down my rifle, I can see these two are off-centered, give a quick twist, and there you go, it's working. And then the same thing is here. So even with the flashlight cover from 100 Concepts, right, the light cap, even if I do twist this, it's hard to see if this thing's on because it's what it's meant to do. But now I know, hey, it's on, hey, it's off. Fairly simple. I know this is a simple, kind of trivial thing, I guess you could say, for some of you, but it has worked for me, and I guarantee you other people are doing this, other people have thought of it. I'm not the first one, it's just I wanted to share it with you. You can do these for all kinds of different lights, especially a cheaper budget option, in my opinion, is the Streamlight ProTac Rail Mount 1. This thing is an awesome light for about $110 last time I checked, but it can be done the same thing, right? Pressure pad doesn't work, but then when you twist these two lines together, there you go, it works. Simple. Twist it back across, doesn't work. It'll save you a lot of money in CR123s, and those things are not cheap, at least in my opinion. Now, if you have a rechargeable, sure, I guess you could do it too, but ultimately, just might save you some money. A couple dollars for a paint pen, there you go. So, If you guys like this kind of stuff, want to see more, definitely like, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Again, this was not my idea. I was just adopting it. It tends to work for me, and I'm just passing that on just in case you may have not have heard of this before. So we're over on Patreon. We got PayPal. We have Rumble now as well, and you can look in the description box for all those basis and go throughout whatever you like. So other than that, hope you all have a great day.